Hi everybody, it's Peter Shaw here. Now I'm just showing you this Bachman Class 101. I know you've seen it before and heard the sound on it, but the sound that came with it when I bought it from the retailer, it was good. But I was never really happy with it when it was going up through the gears. It just didn't sound right to me. The startup was sounding fine. But I've seen on YouTube a Hornby magazine review of this Bachman 101. It came out in 2014 actually, but I just picked it up lately, and it had a house sound in it, and to me that sounded, well, just right. So I've had it reblown. So here we are, if you want to have a listen. Because I like it anyway.